Okay, there's a few different function notations that we need to know, and function notations pretty much simply tell us, hey, plug this in. And that's what we mean by this first problem. It says if f of x is equal to x times sine x, find f of pi over 6, which is 30 degrees. That's simply telling us, hey, plug in pi over 6. That's all that means. So to find f of pi over 6, we're going to do pi over 6 times the sine, and if you want to do the sine of 30, that's fine. But just don't put a 30 out here. Leave that outside as pi over 6. So we're doing pi over 6 times sine of 30 is 1/2, which would be pi over 12. So again, all this means is whatever's in the parentheses, plug it in. Same thing here. Sometimes you'll have two different things in parentheses. So it's saying find g of 1,000, comma 4. So we're plugging in 1,000, we're plugging in 4 for a and b. So this would be simply the log of 1,000, which is a, plus 4 factorial, which is b. Log of 1,000 would be 3, because 10 to the third is 1,000. 4 factorial means 4 times 3 times 2 times 1, which is 24. 3 and 4, 24 gives you 27. Another different function notation that you might see some. We see this type of notation when we're dealing with sequences or series. So they're saying f of n, read it the same way. F of n is 3n. Find f of 1, which simply means take that 1, plug it in. So you're doing 3 times 1, or f of 1 is 3. F of 2, when you plug it in, be 3 times 2. F of 3, when you plug it in, would be 3 times 3, which is 9. Again, that's just another type of notation you might be seeing some. So like here, a of 3, just plug in 3. That'd be 2 times 3 to the third power. The last type of function notation, sometimes you'll see symbols instead of f of x or g of ab or what we just previously saw. It means the exact same thing. So they give you a rule, a star b, just like f of x is equal to this rule. They ask you to find 3 star 2. So pretty much they're saying plug in a 3 for a, plug in a 2 for b. So this would be 2 times 3 to the second. Let's go ahead and do that operation as we plug it in. The first part of the problem, separated by the plus sign, is 2 times 3 to the second, which is 2 times 9. You always have to do exponents before you multiply, which is 18. Plus, we're plugging in 2 for b. 2 to the third power is 8. 18 and 8 is 26. Again, addition's always going to be your last step. Also, just to mention that there might be different symbols. You might have a star. You might have these different looking symbols. Anytime you see those symbols between this type of notation, it simply means plug it in.